Good evening. I am Pat Tennaro, principal of Horace Mann School. Vice Principal Alonzo and I are incredibly excited about the start of the 2021-2022 school year at Horace Mann School as we welcome you to our virtual open house. While we continue to adjust to the realities of the world due to the COVID-19 pandemic, please know that we are committed to the safety and health of all our students, our faculty, and staff. As we work to keep our students, faculty, and staff safe, we recognize that with your help, we will be able to accomplish our educational goals for our community's most precious resource, your children. The virtual open house is designed so that parents who have children in different grades will have the opportunity to visit each class. Grades 1 through 4 teachers will have 4 individual sessions with 20-minute duration with a 10-minute break between each session. Grades 5 through 8 teachers will have a 10-minute session for 2 hours with a 10-minute break between each session. The nurse, child study team members, guidance, special teachers, interventionists, resource, music, and ESL teachers will all post their videos in each class they service. The open house will give you an opportunity to meet those faculty and staff servicing your child while visually be able to see the room your child is in. It is designed to be informative for all parents. Discussion of the progress of individual students can only be done by scheduling individual virtual meetings with teachers at separate times as well as parents' nights in the future. We trust that each one of you will have an informative evening and wish each of you the best and good health.